Hi, it's Kimberly, your certified driving instructor for ACEable. Next, we're going to be talking about reverse parking. Reverse parking can seem very daunting, especially for new drivers. You want to learn in empty parking lots, and with time and experience, this will become second nature. I promise, you got this. To reverse park, here's what you do. Find a parking spot that you are comfortable with. Pull forward, moving slightly past the parking spot with your signal to the right on to let people around you know what you're doing. Leave about 2 to 3 feet between you and the parked cars to the side. Once you're there, put the car in reverse and check for vehicles around, inside, side, and blind spot. Backup cameras aren't always allowed on driving tests, so be comfortable using your mirrors as you back. Turn to the right, and continue backing until you are straight. Once you're straight, straighten out the wheel and pull back. Park it, and that's it. Don't stop here. Like, subscribe, and visit ACEable's driving prep course for more tips.